Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add a web page or a website to reading list in Safari on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen open up the Safari web browser. Next, in here you want to tap on the share button, then go down in the menu, tap on add to reading list, and it said here automatically save reading list articles for offline reading, so we can choose save automatically or don't save automatically. I'm going to select save automatically for offline reading. Now later on, when you need to read that page from the reading list, you would tap on the bookmark icon, then tap on the reading list tab. In here, tap on the web link that you want to open, and this will open up the web page in reading list. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.